Let us now discuss Article 9, Classification of Felonies according to gravity. The first is grave felonies. That is when the law attaches capital punishment or afflictive penalties according to Article 25 of the RPC. Pag sinabing capital punishment, ang ibig sabihin nito, death penalty. Pero sa ngayon, ang pag-impose ng death penalty is already being prevented because of Republic Act 9346. So, afflictive penalties include the following: reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, prison mayor, and fines more than 6,000 pesos according to Article 26, but that is already amended by Republic Act 109/51. We will take that up shortly. So for easy recall, let us just remember RIRI PP Prif. So RIRI PP Prif, that is reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, prison mayor, and fines. So next is less grave felonies. So where the maximum period is correctional. That is according to Article 25. So correctional penalties include the following: prison correctional, arresto mayor, suspension, destierro, and fines not less than 200 pesos but not more than 6,000 pesos. That is according to Article 26 again. And also, this particular article is already amended by Republic Act 109/51 as to the fines. So for easy recall, just remember the acronym PASDEF. So P stands for prison correctional, A arresto mayor, S suspension, DE for destierro, and F for fines. So when we say destierro, there is no imprisonment, but there is restriction to a specified limits. So depending on the decision of the court, that is from the radius of 25 to 250 kilometers. Next, light felonies. Infractions of law where the penalty imposed is arresto minor or a fine not more than 200 pesos or both, and as amended by Republic Act 109/51. Let us now take up the effect of Republic Act 109/51 on fines. Let us now consider on this table on the effect of Republic Act 109/51 on fines. So we have here in this first column the penalty in fine. We have grave felonies, less grave felonies, and light felonies. And in the next column, that is so provided for in the revised penal code, otherwise known as 3815, Act 3815. And in the third column, we have the amendment to the fines in the revised penal code, that is Republic Act 109/51. For grave felonies, according to the revised penal code, more than 6,000 pesos. So, sobra sa 6,000 pesos. Whereas in Republic Act 109/51, it is now amended to more than 1.2 million pesos. And in the case of less grave felonies, not less than 200 pesos but not more than 6,000 pesos under the revised penal code. And in the Republic Act 109/51, it is now not less than 40,000 pesos, but not more than 1.2 million. So, very significant talaga ang pag-increase, no, in terms of the fines. Dapat lang talaga kasi napaka-obsolete na ng fines kung basihan natin sa revised penal code. And in the case of light felonies, so under the old law, that is the revised penal code, less than 200 pesos. And in the case of Republic Act 10951, that is now set to less than 40,000 pesos.